experienced it, so they don't have.
I bet Carrie knows.
Yeah. Yeah, we lived in Colorado.
Yeah, but we lived in Virginia and Colorado.
Yeah, we had practice with this.
It's not that hard.
No, the key is don't hit the brakes.
Yeah, I turned too hard either.
Yeah, and if you do spin out the wrong way, turn into it.
What I do is I just let go.
Yeah.
It'll turn automatically.
Yeah. It's so much snow.
It is.
But you know what?
The key is too, you gotta pump the brakes and you gotta brake really far ahead.
Yeah, a lot of time to slow down and stop.
Yeah.
A Jeep!
See that? Boom.
A Jeep! A Jeep! It's barely even tall. He's fine about it. Yeah.
Uh-huh. I think it's either 50 or 45, I can't remember.
Yeah, speed limits don't matter in the snow.
Well, they do matter, but they're not going to enforce it. You don't want to go too fast.
It's 25 Fahrenheit right now.
See 28 on the dash.
We said 25 last night.
Oh, grouses.
Plus, it helps when you have snow tires
Yeah. Yeah.
and all-wheel drive.
Yeah. And X mode. I'm gonna send the picture of grouses to Mom. So many trees still have leaves. It's crazy.
I don't know.
I know that school is off.
Yeah.
No school for us.
Nope,
It's snowing.
it is.
Way too cold.
Police.
The police are making snowman.
Did you make a snowman?
The
Police
sheriff
were
were making a snowman.
Yeah.
I know what snowman it is. That was so angry. I bet the police are having a lot of fun. Yeah. A day off.
They don't get days off.
Maybe less crime on a snow day though.
Yeah, hopefully.
People are too happy having fun.
I know.
So sheriff was having lots of fun.
They're probably having fun sliding the cars.
Oh yeah, you know they're doing donuts.
They're like, please let a chase happen. I can fulfill all my dreams.
Everywhere's
That car's
closed.
going really fast.
That's wild. All of them are closed.
How are people driving?
Same reason why we're probably driving. Going point A to point B. Sometimes they're driving just to have a look.
Even McDonald's is closed.
Urgent care is closed. Oof.
Everybody better be healthy and safe today.
Yeah.
They might not be healthy and safe
This is pretty
today.
crazy.
Nothing's open.
Yeah.
That is crazy.
Because even with Christmas, stuff's still open.
Yeah. Oh yeah, there's they're
Is
not using
Walgreens
snow.
open?
Yeah.
I mean, in in Denver, it's like, oh, everything's open. It's blizzarding outside.
Yeah, we're driving to Chick-fil-A. I definitely wouldn't go on that bridge. No, hello.
Why?
They're a little more slick.
Might freeze? Oh, gee.
It might freeze, yeah. Wow, that's insane. Look at that. Just the amount of just snowfall. It's just...
Oh.
This is a, yeah. Like
Nothing's open. Hardly any
Advanced
cars.
Auto Parts is open.
Where did you get Ty and Mommy?
Okay.
Why is
No,
Advanced
you
Auto
haven't.
Parts open?
Woo, we get to go.
You didn't care about the stoplight because no one's coming.
Oh, no.
Alright. This road's gonna be a little challenging.
Yeah.
It's very windy and a little tight. So we're gonna have to be
Really slow.
slow and careful.
But everybody's only like 2 miles an hour.
This is so fun. It's snowing here. My brain's like, yeah, it's snowing. This is a normal occurrence. But I'm like, no, it's not. Not here.
Yeah.
I
The
know
dog.
a seesaw now. Your seesaw sign. Yeah, see, so weird. I see some people just doing donuts over there.
Yeah.
Look at the playground.
Yeah.
Now they got a fun on it.
Yeah, we did that in Castle Rock.
Here comes the challenging curve.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is called Where's the Road?
Well, the center line's right there.
Oh, you see it?
Yeah, I see it.
Surprised more Jeeps aren't out.
No, this is your moment.
I know.
Here we go, Daddy. I kind of wanted to drift.
No,
we
I
don't
can't
want
do
to.
that.
These roads have ditches.
Yeah, we wouldn't be able to get out if we went to the ditch.
No, we would be stuck.
And never get out.
That would be a con for Joe Miller. Maybe
Yeah.
ditches.
Oh my goodness, yeah. Good 5-6 foot drop would really put you there.
Yeah. Wild.
Honestly, it's mind blowing how much snow it is. Like this is on a pretty medium day in Denver. Some big flakes, man.
Yeah.
A lot of wind up there.
Looks like they're kind of skinny.
It's only rear-wheel drive. It's gonna be really hard to drive. I've tried to take your Jetta when I first married to the snow. It's only rear-wheel drive.
Uh-huh.
I got it stuck with him. I went to, barely made it to the Walgreens. And when I backed up over like a mountain of snow to get out, I got stuck. So I had to like dig the snow out so the tire could connect with the concrete, the asphalt.
Oh, that bro's like a snowman.
No one's left Shady Creek.
Oh, wow.
We're gonna be, oh no. Thank you. All right.
We're making a new turn.
No one's driven here.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But Kelly.
Nobody has. There's no tracks in the snow.
None at all.
We're making the tracks.
We gotta make a track all the way around.
Yeah.
Maybe not.
Some big snowflakes.
They're very big.
Maybe.
Should be going a lot slower so I don't hit anything.
Yeah.
Mom's house.
Oh my. Where's the hill? Oh, I see it. Oh, no, I do. Oh, I do not see it. I can barely see it. Oh, no, I do. I can't wait to play out there.